Every great story begins with a moment of purpose. In May 2023, we came together with our partners, the ministries, regulators, financial institutions, financial sector associations, business associations, other international development organizations, and religious bodies to ask one question: how can we create jobs, build a stronger, greener, more inclusive private sector for Ghana? That day in one room was where the story of the PFS program began, with partnership as our compass and impact as our destination. Building the financial future we want, working hand in hand with the Ministry of Finance, the Bank of Ghana, the National Insurance Commission, the National Pensions Regulatory Authority, 15 partner financial institutions, and 13 trade associations, we launched the Financial Product Development Initiative.
How do we bring into the insurance catchment those people who, for some reason, who have been left uninsured over all this time? So that's the purpose of this initiative. It's an initiative we at the regulator's office are excited about because we believe in that initiative. We believe that it will make the difference in the industry that we seek to achieve.
Together with partners, we co-created 25 innovative, tailor-made products. They range from loans, savings, insurance, pensions, and investments products tailored to the needs of micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. Behind every product was a partnership and a promise to make finance accessible to those who need it most. Over 2,400 entrepreneurs now use these products, of which 74% of them are women-led businesses.
Through the GSD project, the insurance companies and the financial institutions that met us presented interest rates that are lower than the traditional rates that we meet at the bank.
We trained our 15 selected partner financial institutions to design these need-based products and trained 2,909 MSMEs from 13 trade associations within the 5 operational regions on the basics of banking, insurance and pension, business and financial management, risk management, and climate risk management.
One thing that has also benefited me is the invoice and the receipt. But I've seen that even when you go trade something, a dress for a client or something, you have to issue receipt. And that one will give you your respect and then will add more value to your work.
I already have started sharing the knowledge with my friends that are into businesses on how to have a cash book, sales book, the inventory book. It has been really helpful. Yes, I will share this knowledge with my friends.
Our collaboration extended further, supporting microfinance sector associations to embrace sustainability, and we trained over 1,000 personnel from financial services providers in sustainable finance principles. We launched Ghana's first Climate Finance Knowledge Hub, a digital gateway to climate finance knowledge and innovation with partners from government, academia, and the private sector. And we supported the National Insurance Commission to develop guidelines on environmental, social and governance and inclusive insurance for MSMEs and persons with disabilities, making inclusion not just a goal but a requirement. Growth does not happen in isolation. And it happens when people meet, when doors open, and when someone believes in the potential of another. Across our 5 operational regions, we brought people and institutions together with the Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs and its regional coordinating councils. We built 5 regional networks for inclusive local economic development, NILD, communities of support where ideas could breathe and businesses could finally find their footing. In these networks, over 550 MSMEs and more than 100 institutions met, learned it, exchanged, and discovered that they were not alone. Together, they found access to finance, mentors who listened, advisors who guided, and new market pathways that changed the course of their businesses.
I've been a beneficiary of their support, and I'm glad that during this end of year networking conference, I was invited to exhibit and also to partake in the conference.
I'm Steven Jan, a representative for the Center for Persons with Disability. The program so far has been very successful, and indeed it has opened a wider avenue for me to access a lot of opportunities for my people. I've interacted with a lot of professionals, a lot of SMEs, a lot of service providers. And this has given me a very much knowledge into how to go about with my organization.
I was expecting to get a lot of information, good information, meet big industry players, and I must say that my expectations have been overmet. I must say I have been motivated, gingered up, and I'm going all the way with the information I have received to scale up my business. Thank you very much. Thank you, GIZ, and thank you, organizers of the program.
And because potential needs more than encouragement, it needs tools. 410 entrepreneurs from our business idea competitions and the Ajume initiative received startup kits worth 1 million Ghana cedis. For many, these were not just tools, they were second chances, a way to turn skill into income and income into dignity. But the heart of our work went beyond businesses. It was about people. So far, 1,251 individuals have received trainings, 500 job seekers, women, young people, and returnees gained short-term skills that open new paths they once thought were closed. 751 entrepreneurs received personalized coaching that helped them steady their businesses, rebuild confidence, and take bold steps forward. These interventions were designed for Ghana's realities, aligned with labor market needs, rooted in inclusion, and built to unlock both self-employment and wage-based opportunities. In regions where underemployment and migration cast long shadows, these efforts have done more than train people. They have restored hope. They have given families something to hold on to. And they have shown that with the right support, growth becomes not just possible, but shared. As we strengthened Ghana's financial systems, built regional networks, and trained the youth, we also kept our eyes on the horizon, on a future that must be greener, fairer, and more inclusive. With Ashesi University Ghana Climate Innovation Center, we helped 59 bold entrepreneurs turn climate challenges into climate opportunities. Through incubation, expert coaching, and grants of up to 10,000 euros, their ideas grew into real businesses. Businesses proving that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand.
At the Ghana Climate Innovation Center, our search and selection process is guided by 5 core thematic areas: energy efficiency, domestic waste management, renewable energy, water management and purification, and climate-smart agriculture. Each of these areas is carefully aligned to address Ghana's unique local challenges while contributing to the broader national development agenda.
Through the Green Call initiative, a collaboration with We Do Africa, we supported 100 micro and small enterprises across the country to implement real green solutions, from farmers transforming waste into clean energy to young women producing eco-friendly products that protect both their communities and the planet. We also partnered with the Ministry of Finance, the Ghana Association of Bankers, the Venture Capital and Private Equity Association, Development Bank Ghana, and the Association of Ghana Industries to launch the Green Finance Facilitator Program, preparing 36 SMEs to become truly investment ready. These businesses are now equipped with the skills to grow, scale, access green finance, and lead Ghana's green transition. And across all of this, one message kept re-emerging: green growth is possible, and it can also be deeply inclusive. Our studies and partnerships prove that when small businesses thrive sustainably, entire communities rise with them. True development includes everyone. With the National Insurance Commission and 197 financial institutions, we trained over 300 professionals on inclusive service delivery and respectful communication with persons with disabilities. We champion gender inclusion by supporting Pan-African savings and loans to launch the Mama Club Group Loan, a revamped financial product created for women, empowering them with credit, digital literacy, and e-health access. We also explored how inclusive green businesses empower women at the base of the economy with our IBIGB report. All this is to say that through our policies and partnerships, we kept gender and inclusion at the heart of every decision, reminding us why this work matters. Knowledge has been our compass. Along the way, we supported the Ministry of Finance to introduce national tools that will shape Ghana's financial landscape for years to come. Ghana's first national green finance taxonomy and a digital dashboard that brings clarity, structure, and accountability to green investments. Our work did not stop there. Through the Green Potential Study we conducted, now formally adopted by the Ministry of Trade, Agribusiness, and Industry, we uncovered where Ghana's greatest green opportunities truly lie. One major insight was clear: without access to reliable certification information, many green businesses cannot grow. So we responded. We facilitated Ghana's first comprehensive green certification mapping exercise, helping businesses understand what standards they must meet, who provides certification, and how to position themselves for local and international markets. Through our partnership with the Association of Ghana Industries under the Inclusive Green Business Initiative, selected enterprises received coaching, accreditation, and national recognition as inclusive green businesses, endorsed by AGI and the Ghana Standards Authority. Through studies on sustainable finance, green business potential, and the inclusive business landscape, we equipped policymakers, regulators, and practitioners with insights to make better decisions. Each study, each policy brief, and each dialogue shaped the environment for a stronger, more resilient financial system, one ready for tomorrow. None of this happened alone. We worked with diverse partners from ministries to regulators, development partners, business associations, from consultants to hubs and businesses. Every milestone bears the fingerprints of our collaboration. Together, we turned visions into reality. Together, we shaped policies, built capacity, and touched lives. Over 3 years, the PFS program has helped create or sustain more than 2,000 jobs, built stronger institutions, and inspired lasting change. Together, we have shown what's possible when vision meets partnership. Some part of our PFS journey may end here, but the impact will live on in every business, every partner, and every community we've worked with and impacted. We are PFS, improving the employment situation of MSMEs.